Sometimes we hold emotion within our face, and sometimes if we're sad, everything starts to pull down, and maybe you've had a good rested sleep, but you still look in the mirror and you think, gosh, I look sort of older, sadder. Well, in today's video, we're going to do some really great emotional fascia technique releases. We're going to be really calming down the nervous system to really help the face lift up and feel even better in ourselves as well. Hi, I'm Ali, and a warm welcome to Face Yoga Master, the Natural Lift Method. So first things first, you want to start off with clean skin, and I also obviously clean fingers. Now we're going to use a little bit of facial oil, just so we've got a slip and glide, so whatever we apply to the skin is going to penetrate in better and deeper. We're also going to be doing some great somatic breathing as well. This will again calm down the nervous system when we're doing our facial massage here. So placing just a little bit of the oil into the fingers and then just gently pressing from the brow where we hold a lot of emotion, and also the jaw from unclenching. Want to unclench that. And then also just by the mouth here, this depressor muscle. And then just a little bit down by the side of the ears, down to the collarbone. So we're going to start from the top first and then come all the way down. But before we do that, just want to open up literally the lymphatic gates. So where our collarbone is just above, we've got some indentations. Let's just give those a few gentle presses. And then from the ears, if we just make a scissor shape, in front and behind the ear, we have plenty of lymph nodes, just gently gliding either side of the ear, and then just down the big SCM muscle. And then on the other side, fingers in a scissor shape, and then just in front and behind the ear, and then down the big SCM muscle, down to the collarbone. Right, so let's work on this muscle here. So placing our thumb under our eyebrow here, fingers above, we're just gently going to lift up. Shoulders nice and relaxed, it's very easy to hoik them up. And then just gently moving along, gentle presses. Now we hold a lot of tension within the face, and particularly this area, we get those fine lines and wrinkles and those 11s. Again, we're now placing our hands between the eyes. This is a great acupressure point. And let's just do a few round circles one way and then the other. So if we're sitting down, you can do the standing up, shoulders relaxed, no tension within the face. And let's take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And then just coming the other way between the eyes here. Again, another couple of deep belly breaths. Taking the fingers onto our temple, and again, just some really lovely light massages in a round circular motion, helping any tension within the neck and also the head. And then just the other way. So now let's work on the jawline. We tend to clench our jawline, particularly if we're stressed, had a hard time. So we're just going to do one hand at a time. So placing one hand as an anchor just above the cheekbone, taking our fingers just above the cheekbone here on with the other hand, and let's just very gently glide down. Again, doing some really great deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And then on the other side, other hand just above the cheekbone, taking the other hand, using our fingers, and just very gently, light to medium touch, gliding down. Great fascia work here from the jawline, the masseter muscle here. Let's work on the ear area here again. This will really help with the vagus nerve. So placing our thumb behind our ear, we're starting from the top, placing our fingers in front, just very gently, gentle deep belly breaths, while just pulling out the ears in a slightly outwards, upwards motion. And then just working down the ears, pulling and breathing. So now let's work on this depressor muscle here. Now we're going to take our fingers, and where the lips are, in that corner, we tend to bring the mouth down, particularly if we're sad or we're stressed. So we want to be lifting everything up. So taking our fingers where those corners are, let's first of all just do a little bit of gentle massage here. A great acupressure point again. And throughout these massages, you can do some really lovely deep breathing, somatic breathing, in through the nose and out through the mouth. And then let's just massage the other way. And then with the fingers lifting up and across. Nice and light. And this is why it's really great to apply a little bit of facial oil or even your face cream, just so you've got to slip and glide, so we're not compromise the skin by dragging or pulling, particularly if we have older skin and we're losing collagen and elastin. So then placing our hands just above our forehead area here, we're now just interconnecting the fingers and just gliding down for a final lymphatic drainage. Again, we've been calming down the nervous system. And the lymph is very close to the surface of the skin, so you just need a little gentle feather-like touch. And then with the ring finger between the eyes and under the eyes, where the bone is under the eye, towards the temples. There, the light touch. And on the cheekbones. And then from the chin, lifting up and across. Thumb placed under the chin, fingers as a hook, and now just gently gliding all along the jawline where we have plenty of lymph nodes as well. And again, we can do some really lovely, great deep belly breathing whilst we're doing these lymphatic massages. Taking our fingers, gliding in front of the ears and then behind the ears. And then once we've done that, we're taking our fingers at the bottom of the ear and just a round circular motion under the ear here. And then slowly work, literally bottom of the head, top of the neck. And if you get a little extra gentle, tender point, just give it a little extra massage out. And then when the fingers are touching, gliding down either side of this big muscle, the SEM muscle, down side of the neck to the collarbone, one at a time, and then on the other side. Taking our hands, giving them a really great rub, get some energy, chi, and getting a little bit of warmth within the fingers, and then just gently place it over the eyes. And let's just take 2 more deep belly breaths. In through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the nose, and out through the mouth. And then with your with our palm still on our eyes, just very gently open up the eyes. And when the eyes are open, slowly take away your hands from your eyes. So you can do this once or twice a day, obviously depending how much time you have. And if you feel like you really need just a couple of moments to just sit and take out any of that tension within the face and really do some great somatic breathing and really helping with the nervous system as well. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please comment down below, tell me how you found this today, and please check out my description box where I have lots of things I absolutely love product wise, and also obviously my oils. And also if you would like to join my community of natural skincare, please check that out, and also my mailing list. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.